Hello, I'm Giacomo, Chaos's career and sponsorship rep, and I've just finished my first year of physics and philosophy. I've really enjoyed this year, but there are a couple of pieces of advice I wish I'd received on starting. So, firstly, university is obviously really different to school, and the first thing you ought to know is you got to work out how you learn best. Our lecturers are really good at providing different methods of learning, so you should work out if you prefer going to lectures in person, watching the recordings, reading textbooks, there are pre-recorded videos, or you can just read the course notes. You won't be able to do all of these, so you've got to work out which combination works best for you. In the same vein, you should test out all the libraries to see whether one suits you best or if you prefer just working at home. And finally, work out how to navigate Blackboard sooner rather than later, because it's slightly more complicated than you think it should be, and different lecturers sort of structure the course pages differently. All in all, remember, first it doesn't count towards your final degree, so you have a whole year to settle in, try everything you want, and work out the sort of work-play balance that's going to work for you. I'd recommend don't get overwhelmed by everything right at the beginning, and remember, you can still join societies later on in the year, so you have a whole year to try everything. And well, good luck for the year ahead, and I hope you enjoy it.